What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggieonpennies. I know it's been a while since I uploaded here, so I thought I would slowly ease myself into it by doing a voiceover what I ate in a day. Hope you enjoy. So I started my day off by drinking just some simple water. Then I went straight into making some waffles for breakfast. I was craving something sweet, so I just made my usual mix of pancake / waffle batter. Then I went ahead and poured it into a hot mini waffle pan, and yeah, it cooked pretty easily. And while that was cooking, I made my cold brew coffee, which is just homemade cold brew, some ice, a lot of barista approved milk, and then I just top it off with some regular vanilla milk for some extra flavor. If you want my recipe for cold brew, just let me know and I'll definitely make a video. But I just love this coffee combination, and yeah, I had that with my waffle, a lot of maple syrup, and yeah, overall pretty sweet breakfast, but definitely satisfying. So that day I was already outside around lunchtime, and I was getting hungry since I was out roller skating, so I stopped by my favorite sandwich place, which is so aesthetic inside. So I just had to take some videos of me drinking some water, and yeah, I just got my sandwich and I headed home to enjoy that. I got a falafel sandwich with a bunch of dressing and veggies. As you can see, it looks super fresh and I just love falafel. Then for dinner, I saw this cream cheese on sale, so I decided to make a pasta with it. So I just had some mushrooms, zucchini, garlic, and vegetable sausages. So I fried all of that up, added some my cream cheese, some pasta, and that was it. Hope you enjoyed.